going to take off my mask because no one's around me. But I know it's COVID time, but no one's around me except Jay. We're at the Swepsonville River Park, upper access. It's part of the Mountains to the Sea Trail. I know several of you want to take the Mountains to the Sea Trail, and that's part of my plan too. I would like to do that, just get little parts done. The paddle access hours is 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. There's a walking trail along the river. I came here the other day with a friend of mine. It was great. It's beautiful. I just think it's really pretty. It's not many people know of this, I think, because it's just kind of off the beaten track. It's in Graham, Swepsonville area, but not people maybe come down this road as much. Yeah, I'm excited to be here. It is July 14th, 2020. Our 20th wedding anniversary. Not exactly the trip we planned, but because of COVID, we're staying home. But isn't this beautiful? Oh my gosh. I love these big rocks. And so this is the upper access where we are now. There is a lower access. The Haw River at one point had 20 different mills on it, textile mills. 10 different ones, I'm sorry, 10 different ones. The textile mills on the Haw River. This was Burlington area, Alamance County was a big textile. It was one of the largest textile mills in the world. I might take down my mask because people aren't around us right now, but prevent tick bites, wear repellent, check for ticks daily, shower after being outdoors, call your doctor for any rash or fever. Apparently ticks, we found out, ticks can just kind of land on you, not in bed, but if they land on you, it's almost like a mosquito bite. They leave, but they can still, you can get sick from them. But I love being outdoors, so it's worth it for me. This Swepsonville River Park, it's in appreciation to Mayor Raymond Herring for his efforts to build and protect this park. 2017. It's a beautiful place. I'm so glad they saved it for us. This place with the rocks actually reminds me, in West Virginia, there was this place, Audra State Park, and that reminded me of that. It's just so pretty with the rocks on the water. This is the Haw River. There were a lot of mills, textile mills along the Haw River. Check out this tree, how it's grown. You can almost sit up on there, can't you? There's some nice benches right along the way. It's just really close to the parking lot. Again, like with any place, always lock your things, lock your car. Don't leave anything in that they could see, like a laptop or something in your back seat, because parks nationwide, sometimes they break windows if they see something, but that's in general. Anyway, here's a nice bench you could sit on and just enjoy the water. These paths are really nice. You're just walking along the river. And I think the paths are well marked and wide enough. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at this. But I wanted to bring my husband back here today. I met a friend of mine the other day. It was just kind of a halfway point for for us to meet. She lives over in Liberty and we live over in Eflin, so this was kind of a good halfway part. She remembers driving past it a lot when she would take her kids to Alamance Community College. It's not far from Alamance Community College. It's really not far from downtown Graham, and of course it's in Swepsonville. But look how pretty. I'm out here at the Haw River. Check out the beautiful, you can't probably capture everything, but it's just beautiful hiking out here. Nice trails. I'm out here with my friend Mara. Can I take a picture of you, Mara? Sure. We're out here hiking. She found this place. Okay. She thought of this place.
6 feet away, so we don't get 6 feet under.
Yes. It's beautiful though. Oh my gosh, it's just kind of off of Highway 54 near Alamance Community College. Off of 85. And I'll be quiet so you could just hear the water. There's just about 2 miles of walking trails, which is enough. You know, you can kind of walk back and forth several times if you want to get a lot of miles. And you don't have to drive far to... Here's, oh, I figured my husband would like this part. With a little boy in him that likes to climb rocks. Thank God for this beautiful area. North Carolina has a lot of beautiful parks and state parks and local parks. Look at that. Yeehaw! Someone spent a lot of time carving it. Hey, we were looking for a place for shade and we found it this afternoon, didn't we, Jay?
We sure did. Great job.
I was thinking this was pretty shady, although I was here really early on a Sunday morning.
Right now I'm using my homemade Monopod do-it-yourself SteadyCam, and this is a very challenging route because the trail is uneven, and I'm trying to watch Carol in the viewfinder while I'm walking, so it's a very challenging task for the homemade SteadyCam. It looks like it's doing an excellent job, but we'll see when we get to post.
This is nice. Here's another bench. You could just sit and be reflective and pray or enjoy God's beauty and rest. You need a rest. Ah, it's so pretty. I can feel the breeze too. We just heard the fire bell alarm. A lot of the communities around here, they have some full-time staff, but they also have a lot of volunteer firefighters over the years that really help them out. We're coming up near the end. There's another parking lot down here. Kids are so fun.
She is. She is. Look, center of the picture. She's a firecracker. Yes, baby. Catching it. Okay. There you freedom girl. You gotta get
She's so cute.